Welcome to the workshop. Anyway, this is for all you welders out there. I don't know about you, but my back really aches when I'm bent over and I've got stuff in the vise and I'm trying to weld it. Really, I got a bad back, so. But I did see something on YouTube, but not this one. A magnetic holder. So, right, you're not going to get stage by stage how I did it, but I will tell you. So you just rip a couple of old speakers out. Some of them may be screwed in. This was a Sony one, but they were kind of riveted in. So I got the rivet out with a Dremel and a tungsten bit. It was no effort. Then I put that in the vise. It was that way around. Whoops. That was on the back, like that. I just got an old knife between it and hammered it off and it came off. So right then, sorry the video's cameras everywhere. So then, just cleaned it up, grinded that down. And you can use any metal spike. I got one of these. Took that off and basically welded it, because it's got a nice flat end as well, to that. Then I just sawn the tip off. So that has now given me extra height when it comes to welding. You know, like if it's spoons and such, because it's pretty hard to get off now. I mean, you could have one of these at each end, so then that could stand on a metal sheet on a bench, so it's raising it up, and you ain't got the hassle of unwinding a vise every 2 minutes. Just a sec. Here we go. So let's say if I needed to weld a couple of spoons together, all I've got to do is, I could do with the hand, the spoon ends chopping off on this, because then they'd be in line with each other, but you get that. And you can bring it out as far as you'd like to tack it. And if you're worried that that's going to move, just get the other magnet, sits on top. Quite a handy little tool. Hope that helped you out, and I'll catch you soon.